Hey everyone, welcome back to our Improve Daily Vocabulary series. And this is the eighth session of our series. So, if you are looking to make your conversations more engaging or simply want to sound more confident, you are in the right place. In today's video, I will be sharing 5 incredible words that you can start using right away to enhance your vocabulary. These words are simple yet powerful, and I will also show you how to use them in real life sentences. So, let's dive in. Our first word is amendment. Now, what does this mean? Amendment means to change or to add a legal document something. For example, the Indian Constitution has undergone several amendments to overcome the societal needs. All right. On second, we have this word which is Brexit. Brexit means the withdrawal of the United Kingdom from the European Union. All right. So basically, it's quite hard to remember. So you have to remember this word by thinking of Brexit as Britain exits to remember its meaning. All right. For example, the economic repercussions of Brexit are still being analyzed by economists worldwide. All right, so let's move to second word, which is litigants. Now, litigants is a person or a party engaged in a lawsuit. All right, for example, the litigants presented their arguments to the judge in a detailed hearing. On third, we have this word which is dismissal. Now, this is the quite normal word for the fans who watch cricket on daily basis that Bumrah dismisses off that batsman as a sub. But the actual meaning of this word is the act of rejecting or removing something from consideration. For example, the court's dismissal of the case left the plaintiffs disheartened. On fourth, we have this word which is solace. Solace, which means comfort or consolation in a time of distress. Example, after the loss of his job, he found solace in spending time with his family. At last, we have this word which is recourse. Now, recourse means to help or the act of seeking assistance in difficult situations. All right. The example would be like the villagers had no recourse but to seek assistance from the local authorities. So, yeah, these are the 5 do's words which are highly engaging and not used in normal conversations. So, I hope you like it. So, do like, share, and subscribe.